Are you ready to build a successful career in the ever-evolving world of finance and banking? Introducing the Bachelor of Business Administration in Industry Integrated Financial Services and Banking, or BBA in IIFSB, at Echelon Institute of Technology, a program that bridges academic excellence with real-world industry experience. Management principles grasp the fundamentals of effective leadership and decision-making. Financial accounting, learn how to interpret and manage financial statements. Investment banking, get insights into capital markets, investment strategies, and mergers and acquisitions. Operations management, explore methods to optimize business efficiency. International business, understand global trade practices and international market dynamics. Entrepreneurship development, develop the mindset and skills to start and grow your own venture. Throughout the course, students complete practical training reports, documenting real-life experience from the field, making every lesson more applicable and impactful. After graduation, BBA IIFSB students are well prepared for a wide range of dynamic careers, including financial analyst, investment banker, banking officer, financial consultant, risk manager, wealth manager, compliance officer. Join a new generation of finance professionals, ready to lead with knowledge, confidence, and industry experience. Apply now and step into the future of financial leadership.